All right, today I have an Iwatani grill to go along with my Iwatani stove that I have here sitting in front. I have this, I'm gonna open it up. I'm gonna use this for grilling outside. You can see you set this on top and then grill. I'm just gonna go ahead and open this up, give you a brief look at the box first before I set it up. See, this is the tray right here where water's added and the grill sits on top. Pretty cool. Instructions on the back. Remember to read the instructions before you use this. There's little pictures right there. So let me go ahead and open this up. Gonna open it up this way. Pull it back. And there's some reading material on here. Make sure you read all that. Instructions right here. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Inside there's a lot of plastic keeping this pretty secure, which is a plus. And on the inside comes with 2 grills because they can get dirty at times. I'm just going to open one of these up, keep the other one inside of the plastic for now. Show you this is what one of the grills look like. Inside more instructions, cardboard, and let me pull this out. So here is the tray right here that sits on top. It actually sits on perfect with the Iwatani grill. It lines up with these brackets right here. Let's go ahead and put that there. And then this is what protects the burner. I'm gonna pull this out. Pull that out right here. It's supposed to sit right in there. Just sits on top. There's no snapping into place, nothing too bad. And so what it shows is that you're supposed to fill this up with water. Read the instructions so you know exactly how much. So fill this up with water right here. This will help keep the things that you're cooking moist, as well as, I didn't put too much in there. Probably put a little bit too much in there, but I can get that out in a second. Keeps it moist, as well as it'll actually protect the bottom from the oil that drips down in there. So I have that there, and then we're gonna put one of the grills. I like how it comes with 2 of the grills because when you're barbecuing, the grills get dirty and you might want to replace it. So I'm gonna set this up here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and turn this on. And the heat is rising from underneath here. All right, so it's rising up from underneath here, and there's holes in this from the center. You can see the blue flame right there. There's water on the side for dripping. Put the meat, vegetables on top. Grills it up pretty nice. So that's the unboxing. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope that was helpful.